Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Paul from Drone and Weather. And today I'm gonna show you a sound test of all three of my drones. So here, this is the Mini 2. Here's the Mini 2 here. This is what it sounds like. And then this is the Air 2. This is the Air 2. What the Air 2 sounds like. And then this is the FPV drone. What the FPV drone sounds like. This is the FPV. Air 2. And Mini 2. So as you can see, all three of these drones, like I said, they're up in the air, and you can tell which one is the loudest. FPV drone is the loudest of them all here. Then here's the Air 2 and the Mini 2. So with that, I thank you so much. Please like and subscribe as I will give out more details, more channels, more videos. Peace.